Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A07. For that we will need the buttons for us, so the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you're having also the chance to draw something inside you or to highlight something. Or pretty cool, you can crop here with the corners a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. Huh? After you can share this edited part, or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. Here in apropos gallery, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures, your screenshots are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I always recommend to you to go to the albums, because here the screenshots will have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao!